Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove add-ons from Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove add-ons from Gmail, go to your Gmail account. In right side, you will find your all installed add-ons. I have installed YAMM for Gmail, then Mail Track for Gmail, and then Chat GPT for Gmail. Now I'm going to show you how to remove add-ons from Gmail. Now click on settings icon here on upper right corner. Click on settings, then click on see all settings. Okay, settings has been opened. Now you will find a tab add-ons on upper right corner. Click on add-ons. Look, all my add-ons are showing here. Chat GPT for Gmail, Mail Track for Gmail, and YAMM for Gmail. Now you will find an option here, manage. Just click on manage. Now you will find all of your installed add-ons. I am going to show you how to remove yet another mail merge add-ons. Click on three-dot icon on target add-ons which you want to remove or uninstall. Click on three-dot option and you will find an option here, uninstall. Click on uninstall, and now a pop-up for confirmation. Click on uninstall app. Now the add-ons is uninstalling. Look, the add-ons is uninstalled. Now close this window and look, the add-ons YAMM for Gmail is removed from my Gmail account. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.